Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the World Trade Center for the Manila PAME 2023. At isa po sa kasama po natin sa exhibitors na magbibigay ho a good and quality product, walang iba kundi ang Winners Import-Export Corporation. At kasama po natin ngayon ang kanilang Managing Director, siyempre ladies first, let's welcome Ms. Shai Abeleda. Magandang araw, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Alright, siyempre kasama rin po natin ang napakagwapo po, no? Ang Operation Manager po, Mr. Christian Abeleda.
Hello, good afternoon.
Alright, so magandang, it's an honor na mag-guest ko po kayo dito sa aming show.
Thank you, thank
Pag-usapan natin itong winner talaga, no?
Yes.
Panalo,
Panalo.
sa ganda at husay ng inyong produkto. Kailan po siya na-establish, sir?
Kailan ba siya? December?
Yeah, the company was established 1993.
1993.
Yeah, so we've been in the furniture industry for 30 years already.
Tatlong dekada na.
Yes.
Alright,
opo.
so matagal-tagal na po.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the objective? Ano ba yung nasa likod nito? Kung bakit ito ang naging linya ng inyong pag-business?
Actually, yung mga parents namin, okay, they grew up in the province.
Okay.
Tapos, they were exposed to the, yung to furniture and yung craftsmanship
Yung
na...
passion talaga.
Yes, may passion. So, from then, nag-start
Na-transfer.
na yung, yes. So, na-transfer and also nag-innovate. Ayan. Nag-evolve na ang
Lalong
furniture
pinaganda
namin.
at pinaayos.
Yes.
Siyempre, shoutout tayo sa mga parents niya. No? Alright, so ma'am, sir, ano ba yung mga naging line of products po na dinala nyo dito sa Manila PAME 2023?
This 2023, bali dalawa yung products na dinala namin. First siguro, I would say sa side ko kasi partner kami. So, yung more on pang bahay, more on living space.
Yes.
Yan yung sa mga living room,
Living room.
Oo, and bedrooms. Outdoor seating. So, yun yung naging focus namin na in-incorporate namin ang craftsmanship ng Philippines, which is mixed media using rattan.
At ito,
So,
gawang
yeah.
Pilipino to, ma'am.
Yes.
No? Ito pinagmamalaki natin.
Ah.
Gawang Pilipino at very creative.
Yes.
At kanina, mamaya makikita nila sa interview natin. Huwag kayong aalis, no? Mamaya panoodin nyo ito pong video na ito. Share and like this video. Kasi mamaya papakita nila yung actual na mga ilan sa mga sample of
Yes,
your product.
thank you.
So, liban doon sa product na i-display natin sa Manila PAME 23, ma'am, meron pa ba kayong mga other project that will, na aasahan natin? Ano ba
Yes,
yung mga-
meron. She will be the
Sige,
one
ma'am.
who,
So for this year, we launched our new brand, which focuses more on children furniture brand.
Children, yes.
So this is Winks Furniture. So it's basically Winners Kids.
Wow, Winners Kid.
Yes,
Alright,
so-
para sa mga baby siguro.
Yeah, so from
Ganda nito.
cribs to changing table to nursery chairs. So yun yung isa sa mga brand na we also displayed here.
Kumbaga, one package na talaga ang winner.
Yes, oo. Because here kasi in the country, no, parang there's only few or like super few who makes children furniture.
Tama.
So when I saw the demand, actually nag-bring up yung idea when we had our baby. So we asked them, why don't we make a crib, the furniture and all. So basically kami yung una talagang
Nako, first
nag-test.
time to. Abangan nyo
Yes.
ito. No? So, kailan ang launching kaya nito, sir? Malapit na?
for the store, yes. Yung store, we are hoping by November.
Okay, abangan nyo yan. No? At
Yes.
saan yung first store nyo?
Ang first store namin is in Alabang Town Center.
Uy, naku, malapit kami doon.
Yes.
Taga
Alabang
Victoria
Town
kami.
Nice.
Sa may
Yan.
Alabang.
Yes.
Muntinlupa.
Yes,
Yan.
Muntinlupa.
So abangan natin yan ha. This is the first time na merong kids winner.
Yeah.
Okay. So mostly sir, ano ba yung mga naging target market natin? Mula nung kayo nagsimula, ano ba yung mga siniservicean nyo? Is this hotel, residential?
Yes.
Okay, so we've been in the industry for 30 years, right? So basically, for the first years talaga, around 20 years, we've really focused on exporting.
Exporting sa
Yes.
ibang bansa.
Yes. So our products have arrived to America, to Middle East, to Australia, to Europe. So yon.
Wow.
And
Talaga
then-
naman may pagmamalaki mo.
Yes
Na
po.
yung gawang Pilipino nakaikot sa buong mundo.
Yes. And then just like few years ago, around 10 to 12 years, no, we've opened to the retail market.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, pag-usapan natin maganda yung product, no? Talaga namang we are very proud. Pero kamusta naman yung presyo? Kaya ba ng Pilipino?
Actually, yung price naman namin, kaya naman ng Pilipino. Kasi syempre, ang market natin is local eh.
Local.
Local, yes. So, siguro, I would say na it's reasonable
Reasonable.
and value for money.
At saka kung ano yung tama value
Yes.
for. Kasi kung ano yung presyo, talaga namang susuklian.
Yes.
Yung napakagandang quality.
Uh,
Okay sir, 3 araw po tayo rito. Meron tayong 3 days. Are you looking for a new customer, new project, or are you open for distributor or wholesaler, sir?
Of course, yes. We are open for resellers and resale. For this 3 days na to, actually, ang goal namin is for brand awareness and of course,
Brand
to meet
awareness.
new designers, new clients, para to see our products and of course, makita rin nila yung quality ng products namin.
Yes, oo. At mamaya makikita na nila. Okay. Okay sir, thank you very much. Nako, napakaganda. Meron ba tayong website at telepono para in case, mag-book na agad sila para dito sa ating kids winner at saka siyempre yung ngayong exist na product na mga winner talaga naman mga furniture. Sige sir.
Yes. Hello. We're inviting everyone to come when we open our store. It's Winks Furniture. So it's basically furniture for children and for the whole family. And we're opening our store at Alabang Town Center this December. So for the meantime, you can check us out here in Manila Fame. And you can visit our Instagram page at Winks Furniture, and also our website wingsfurniture.com. Yeah.
Okay sir, short message po para sa Pilipino. Ano ba maasahan nila sa winner?
Yeah, of
Pag
course.
gusto nila maging winner.
Yes. Okay, if you want
To be
good
a winner.
quality furniture,
Yes, sir.
syempre, winner na furniture.
Sa winner na tayo.
Yeah, winners.
Alright. So maraming salamat po. At syempre, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang gumawa po ng mga booth dito po sa World Trade Center at sa SMX, ang Binyo Design at saka ang Swedish Design. Sila po ang gumawa po rito. Kaya pag gusto nyo ng magagandang quality naman ng mga booth, pwede ho kayo magpagawa dito sa Binyo Design and Swedish Design. Sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles, ito po si Hernan Falcon. Always say, God bless you. Okay, we're back here at World Trade Center po at kasama po natin uli ang winners. At siyempre, para po ipakita sa inyo yung mga quality ng kanilang produkto, narito uli si Mr. Christian at siyempre si Ma'am Shai. Ma'am, magandang araw po.
Hello.
Sige, pwede nyo ba ipakita yung mga product nyo?
Yes, of course.
Sige, let's go.
Ito glimpse ng mga designs namin. Okay, so ito, it's a mix of rattan and metal. Okay? It's a collaboration with one of our proud Filipino designer. Okay, he's based in Saudi Arabia and mostly projects sa Spain. Si Cristo Abeleda. And here, we have another design by our Filipino designer, Stanley Ruiz, a collaboration with Winners Furniture. Okay, and also this item naman, actually, it's a collection. It's a mixed media of rattan and solia. Okay, and what else? You have anything else pa? This chair naman, it's an outdoor chair. It's a collaboration as well with one of our restaurants, local restaurants who promote local products. So, ayan, we are showcasing mostly local and Filipino designs.
Okay, meron pong produkto silang ilalabas on November sa Alabang po. Ito po yung tinatawag na bagong-bago po. First time, the winner's kit. Ito po, explain ni Ma'am Shai.
Hi. So this is our new brand, Wings Furniture. So basically, these are children furniture. So as you can see po, from cribs to rocking chairs, to I have wardrobe cabinets, dressers. So anything nursery furniture, and also toddler furniture. That's what we cater. So this is we're one of those pioneers in this kind of furniture that we offer. And soon we'll be opening by November or December a store at Alabang, in Alabang Town Center. So we hope and wish to see you there. Thank you.
Nako, at nakita nyo kung gaano kagaganda at ka-quality po yung kanilang mga produkto. So, what are we waiting for? Grab this opportunity. Come here at the World Trade Center po at hanapin nyo po ang winners. Ano no?
Winners and wings.
Iyon. God bless you po. Ito po si Brother Hernan po. Sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. This is our exhibit today. God bless you all.